Hello students, welcome back to our channel Learning Math with Munesh. In this video, we are going to learn about the coefficient, like terms, unlike terms, simplified form and standard form. Let's start with coefficient. There are two types of coefficients. Number one is numerical and the second one is literal. Whenever we are talking about the coefficients, we have to look at the term. Take an example, 2x. In this term, the 2 is called a numerical coefficient and the x is called a literal coefficient. The question might be like this: what is the coefficient of x? And the answer is 2. What is the coefficient of 2? The answer is x. Usually, most of the questions will be like, what is the coefficient of the given variable? This variable. And you should answer the number. In term, usually, the number and variable are always getting multiplied with each other. And the second type of question they can ask is, what is the coefficient of x by 2? And here the answer is not 2. If you are well familiar with the fractions, we can write the same expression or the term like this, right? Now see, what is the coefficient of x? It is 1 by 2, right? If again I multiply this x with 1, I will get x. And in the denominator there will be 1. 1 into 2, again 2. So it will become again x by 2. Usually in your examinations, most of the questions look like this: x square minus 3x plus 5. Deliberately, they will be giving minus here. You know why? Whenever I ask you, or whenever they ask you, what is the coefficient of x? Most of you will answer like, the coefficient of x is 3. That is absolutely wrong. Here, the coefficient of x is minus 3. And what is the coefficient of x square? And I already mentioned in my previous videos, if nothing is there in front of the variable, then you should consider it as 1, because if it is x, you will be writing like 1 into x. If it is y, you will be writing like 1 into y. Both the answers are same. There's no change in the property of this variable, right? This is about the coefficient. Now let's enter into like terms, unlike terms. You all are well familiar with the fractions, right? In fractions, when we are talking about the like fractions, we'll be saying like, if the denominators are equal, then those fractions are called like fractions. If the denominators are not equal, we'll be saying it as unlike fractions. In the same way, in algebra, like terms means the terms with the same variable and having the same power or raised to the same power, irrespective of the numerical coefficient. Irrespective of the numerical coefficient, we have to look only at the variable and the power it has been raised to. For example, 3x square, comma 4x square, comma 14x square, minus 14x square. All these things are like terms. Irrespective of the numerical coefficient, if you look at the variable part, they all are raised to the same power. These type of terms are called like terms. Same variable, same power. Same variable, same power. Same variable, same power. And the next thing is unlike terms. They might be having the same variables, but the powers are different. They might be having the same powers, but the base, the variables are different. For example, x, x square, x cube. All these terms are having same variables, but the powers they have been raised are different. Here, all the powers might be same, but the base they have are different. If we have different variables, it can also be called as unlike terms. Coming to the simplified form of an algebraic expression, an expression containing only unlike terms are called as simplified form. Let us take an example: x square minus 2x square plus 7x minus 5. In this expression, we have like terms here, right? These two are like and these two are like. This is not called as simplified form. In order to convert this into the simplified form, we have to reduce the like terms by performing some arithmetic operations. Let us rearrange the like terms. These two are like, I have rearranged them here. With the symbol, you have to carry those variables. And here it is plus 7x minus 5. These two are like and these two are like. Now let's solve this. It's very easy to solve these type of things. I know many of you will feel very bad while solving these things. Nothing to worry. X square minus 2x. Let us consider these both. You already know that these both are same, right? They are like terms. See, if you are getting confused to solve these type of like terms, let us take an example. I have a plate with me. In this, I have 2 idlis and 3 bananas. Can I add these idlis and bananas? No, I can't add them. I can just say, even though if I add, I will say there are 5 food items. I can't say there are 5 idlis and bananas. That's absolutely wrong, right? And the right way of saying them is, in this plate, I have 2 idlis and 3 bananas. Why I am saying 2 idlis and 3 bananas? Because idlis comes under one category and bananas come under one category. In the same way, one category is nothing but they are like, they are same. In the same way, I can only add like terms here or subtract like terms here. So, you know the integers, right? Let us forget about the variable, only think about the coefficient in front of them, in front of these like terms. What is the coefficient in front of x square? It's 1. What is the coefficient of in front of this x square? It's minus 2. What is 1 minus 2? It's minus 1, right? I think you all are well familiar with the integers. And what is the variable we are using here? Minus 1x square. Simply you can write it as minus x square. In the same way, let us consider here there are 7 bananas here, and this is 1 banana. Minus 1 banana plus 7 banana, or 7 bananas minus 1 banana. What is the answer? 6 bananas, right? This is so simple. And what is the final thing? It's minus 5. And this expression is called simplified form of algebraic expression. As I said, finally, we have only unlike terms in this expression. What is simplified form? An expression containing only unlike terms is known as simplified form. If someone asks you simplify the expression, then definitely there might be having like terms inside it. Then you know how to simplify that. Now let's enter into our final topic of this video, that is standard form. Placing the term based on the powers of the variables in the descending order is known as standard form. Let us take an example. 5 plus 2x square minus x plus 4x cube. If you see the powers of the variables, they are not in the order. So, what is the largest power here? Cube, right? So, first of all, place it. 4x cube. What is the second largest? This power, right? Place, carry it with the symbol. What is the third largest? This one. What is the final one? 5. If you see here, I have arranged all the terms in such a way that the powers of the variables are in descending order. 3, 2, 1. And what is the power for this variable? It's 0. As I already mentioned, x power 0 is 1. You will be seeing that in the coming videos. This is about standard form of an algebraic expression. Hope you have enjoyed this video. Thank you.